This webinar will go through the procedure for the Carroll County Rent Assistance. And if you remember from the previous webinar, that Carroll County is one of the 6 counties located within the Star County Access Database. So your call should come in on the Stark skill, ideally, your Carroll County callers. So you will go through into the Stark database. Most of the people live in Carrollton. And you want to use the taxonomy rent payment assistance. And you see there are a couple, so you definitely want to open and go through these other ones as well to give your client options if they're eligible. But this webinar is dealing with this program through the United Way of Greater Stark County. Remember, always look at your match list notes in red. If the client is eligible for this program, there is a form on the data page in Refer. Again, always important to go through your unpublished. Just another reminder telling you if they're eligible, fill out the form, save, then email to 211supervisor@unitedwaycleveland.org. There's an email template is Carroll County Rent Mortgage Utilities. The service provides emergency assistance with rent, mortgage, and utility payments. For qualifications, they have to have income that is at or below 300% of the federal poverty level. If it's for rent or mortgage, the payment cannot exceed 1/2 of gross monthly income and must be able to maintain after receiving assistance. The total monthly expenses should not exceed their income. If they're asking for rent assistance, they must have an eviction notice or a past due notice. If it's their first month's rent that they need help with, an eviction notice is not required. You can't have a month-to-month lease if it's for rent assistance. If it's for mortgage assistance, they must be at least 1 month behind in their payments. This serves all of Carroll County. The hours of service, 1:30 to 4 on Thursdays at Carroll County Department of Job and Family Services in Carrollton. They will need Social Security cards or a letter printout from Social Security with the Social Security numbers for all household members, birth dates for all household members, photo IDs for all adults in the house, proof of income for the entire household for the past 30 days, eviction notice or late notice, copy of lease if applicable, or if it's for mortgage, copy of terms of mortgage and late statement if applicable, copy of utility bill if applicable. How they access, they're going to call 211 for an appointment. After the appointment, clients get a call back concerning their status within 2 business days. Since the appointments are on Thursdays, they should be notified by the following Tuesday. If they haven't received a call back in that time, they can call Connie Alton at United Way of Greater Stark County. So if somebody is calling to check on the status of an application they've already submitted, you don't need to fill the form out again. You just save the referral to United Way of Greater Stark County, give them Connie's number. Which is right here. So we'll save the referral, enter our information on the data, contact data, and look for the form, Carroll County Rent and Mortgage, and this is only for Carroll County. Open up our form. First question, do you live in subsidized housing? If it's yes, they can only assist with first month's rent. We'll say no. The second question is assistance for first month's rent. Could be yes or no. Remember, if it is for first month's rent, obviously they don't need an eviction notice. Do you have a past due or eviction notice? Yes. How much is your rent or mortgage per month? $600. How many monthly payments have you missed? What is your gross before taxes monthly income? If they don't have an income, they are not eligible. The name of the person is calling. Oops. Address. The city. Zip code. Phone number. And your name. And then, like all the other data forms, we first hit save, email. The template for this is Carroll County Rent Mortgage Assistance. And as always, the email to 211 supervisor. And you would hit send. I'm not going to send that. I don't want Connie to get it. And then you would give them information on the other programs if they were to be eligible. And that's the Carroll County Rent and Mortgage Assistance.